Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. For today's project, I'm gonna make a wreath using this wreath form, which I got from the Dollar Tree. This is an old wreath frame from the Dollar Tree, and my intention of doing this project is a cupcake, a giant cupcake. So I'll be using this one, and I'm gonna spray paint this with white. And I got my materials here. I got some yarn, just like looks like a peppermint, and I got some white felts. I got a gingerbread board from the Dollar Tree. I got some ornaments from Walmart for my cupcake. I got some candy canes. I got ribbon, possible stickers, I don't know. Of course, I still need glue sticks and a couple of puppy paints, white and black, and some nutmeg brown for the gingerbread. So I don't know how I'm gonna do the giant cupcake, but I will try to do it and I will show you once it's done. Just to show you some of the things that I've done, I already made my gingerbread, and this is how it turned out. He's a gingerbread man who's a baker. See? And because my theme is a cupcake wreath, so I made my gingerbread into this one. Okay, so I just draw the hat and the apron, and put some kitchen tools for cooking. And the next one I did is, this is going to be my cupcake top, and I ran out of white, and I still need to use white, and I put some foam inside. I mean, like soft feather foam or whatever that you use in pillows. I have an old throw pillow, and that's what I use, and I place it inside there to make it a little bit cloudy. And then I'm gonna wrap around this one with my yarn, peppermint yarn. Okay, here's the final reveal of my gingerbread giant cupcake Christmas wreath. That's how it turned out, guys. I have to show you up close. That's the ornaments that I got from Walmart, and some of my other embellishments that I have in my stash. And I made a gingerbread from the Dollar Tree. I made him a baker. He's got an apron and some spatula from the Dollar Tree. And I distributed other cabochons, donut cabochons, and a ribbon at the bottom. So I hope you like this giant cupcake, peppermint gingerbread cupcake. That's how it turned out, guys. Hope you like this, and until my next video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.